Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing something fun. Pause and answer. I will show you 5 common English mistakes, and before I reveal the correct answer, you must pause the video and try to fix it yourself. Ready? Let's see how many you get right. First sentence, I did not knew about the meeting. I did not knew about the meeting. Pause the video now and correct this sentence. Alright, here is the correct version. I did not know about the meeting. I did not know about the meeting. Why? Because after did or did not, we always use the base form of the verb. Not knew, just know. Easy fix? Let's go to mistake number 2. Sentence number 2. Let's discuss about the project tomorrow. Let's discuss about the project tomorrow. Pause the video and correct it. Correct answer is let's discuss the project tomorrow. Let's discuss the project tomorrow. Discuss already means to talk about, so adding about is unnecessary. You can say discuss the plan, discuss the issue, but not discuss about. Okay? Now, next one. Sentence 3. He is having a car. He is having a car. This one tricks a lot of learners. Pause and correct it. Correct version. He has a car. He has a car. Having is not used for possession. We don't say I'm having a brother. She is having 2 houses. We simply use have or has. Alright? Okay. Let's hit mistake number 4. Many people get this wrong in conversations. Fourth sentence. I am here since 1 year. I am here since 1 year. Pause, fix it. Correct version. I have been here for 1 year. I have been here for 1 year. Use for or since with present perfect continuous. I'll give you example. I have been working here for 3 years. She has been studying since 2020. Remember this simple rule. For is used with duration, that for plus duration. Okay? Since is used with starting point. Since plus starting point. Okay? Great. Get ready. The last one is the sneaky one. Sentence 5. This option is more better. This option is more better. You already know what to do. Pause and correct it. Correct answer. This option is better. This option is better. Better is already the comparative form of good. So we never use more before it. Okay? We don't use more better, more worse. Just use better, worse. Okay? Let's test your brain once more before we wrap up. This is the bonus round. Okay? Fix this in your head. No pausing this time. She did not went there. She did not went there. Correct sentence is she did not go there. She did not go there. Second, I'm having a doubt. I'm having a doubt. Correct answer, I have a doubt or I have a question. Third, he is more taller than me. He is more taller than me. Correct sentence. He is taller than me. He is taller than me. Fourth, I'm working here from 2022. I'm working here from 2022. Correct answer. I have been working here since 2022. I have been working here since 2022. Fifth, everyone have their own opinion. Everyone have their own opinion. Correct answer. Everyone has their own opinion. Everyone has their own opinion. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. If you enjoyed this format, tell me. I'll make more pause and answer episodes. See you in the next video.